everyone, and thank you so much for joining my channel. My name is Rocky, and if you're new here, this is where I talk about fashion, lifestyle in my city of Chicago, and just a little bit of beauty. Today we are talking about fashion. I have a haul for you. Boop. Let's get right into it. So we have a huge haul from Luisaviaroma. I haven't shopped there in a while. I think I can count on maybe one hand how many times I've shopped there. However, when I do, I get some pretty good deals. It puts me in the mindset of like your Essence.com, the letter S, Sense.com, or Farfetch, if both of those had a baby. And somewhere in the middle is Luisaviaroma, where you can get really high-end designer things at a fraction of the price if you watch for the sales. So that's exactly what I did this time around. I got a few items that were on a deep discount, and I'd like to share those with you today. So when you get the package from Luisaviaroma, it's nothing special. You saw the box. They have their little, sticker with their own branding, and they just kind of dump everything in one box. One of the things about these places, like, it's not like Farfetch, you can get multiple parcels from all over the world. Here, they just, all in, it's like a department store, and they dump it all in one box. So in here, you'll see, I don't know, where should we start? I'll start with the sneakers. I didn't need any more sneakers, but I got some more sneakers. So I did get a pair of Adidas sneakers, and I got a little bit of a backstory with the Adidas sneakers. Many years ago, I got these, to me, badass pair of pumps from, Steve Madden? Now, you tell me, these are some sandal pumps. They, to me, are badass because of this graffiti and everything. You got the open, some people don't like open toe, but I don't really care. But I struggled with wearing these because they are so hot, to me, super high, and also no padding here at the footbed. So I struggled with wearing these. I literally would only wear these if I knew I was gonna be sitting down, and I could count on one hand how many times I've worn them. But they hang on my wall and I haven't sold them because I really love how cool these are. Anyway, that said, when I saw these sneakers, I knew I had to have them because I'm all about sneaker, loafer gang, flat sandal gang these days. And this to me was almost like a replica of those pumps, but in sneaker form. So let me show them to you. Not exactly, but still. So these are the sneakers. They have little writing and graffiti all over them. It has like that same feel as the pumps that I mentioned to you. I also like, it's kind of childish, I suppose. It has little dangly thingies here on the laces and everything. It's just my style. I'm really hoping that they fit. Looking at them, they look a little large, but then again, it just could be the style of the shoe. Haven't tried them on yet, of course. This is a collaboration, I think. It says Jeremy Scott Beverly Hills. I don't know who Jeremy Scott is. On the tongue of the inside of this, and hopefully I can do a cutaway to show you, but on the tongue on the inside, there's some dude's face in the tongue, so I guess that's Jeremy Scott. I would imagine that this has to do with like the skater community because these are more like a skater shoe with how flat they are. But I'm really hoping they fit. I love it. I love the little danglies. It's very childlike. I mean, if you know anything about me, I'm either dressing like a 12-year-old or a streetwalker, and there's pretty much no in between. And this is one of the 12-year-old things. But I'm really looking forward to rocking these sneakers. Well, let's keep the Adidas theme going. I didn't do this on purpose, but I bought several Adidas items. I guess because the price was right and it was cute. I got this sheer dress, and sheer is in. This color, like a light lilac color, is in as well for 2023. I'm not really a trend follower, but if it happens to align with the trend, then so be it. But this is a sheer dress. I've been loving sheers for as long as I can remember at this point. Sheer has been a thing, like down to just wearing only underwear. You guys saw Sierra's dress just recently. Down to wearing nothing underneath to a full-on outfit underneath. I've done videos about how to, style sheers. I love it. So I've thought of so many different ways that I'm going to wear this. I got this in a size small. I can't remember if small is the smallest. I feel like it wasn't, and I might have sized up because I do have a lot of hip and butt, and I don't want this to be tight. I want it to like skim and just kind of lay over whatever I put underneath. So I'm looking forward to rocking this. This thing is super cute. Anyway, you let me know what you think. Keeping with the Adidas theme, I got like a little bra top from, I don't know, sports bra top, whatever it is. I'm gonna probably wear this as I don't know, might wear it as a shirt, might wear it to work out. I haven't decided yet, but they call it a bra top. I like that it has like the 3D rubberized patch here. It has the, you know, the signature 3 stripes for Adidas here. Very plain. I like the spaghetti straps. If I'm wearing this as a top, don't have to wear a bra underneath because it's a bra itself. But I like it. It's really, really cute. I could rock this, you know, with black biker shorts, black leggings, you know, with a skirt, with jeans, or you could wear it underneath the button down. There's so many ways you can wear this, right? And I can wear it to work out. So I think this was a really good purchase. For some reason, I did try to find the prices for all of this stuff, but I could not. For some reason, I have no idea what happened. So let's keep it moving. So now here's where I got a few sort of luxury designer items, but I got them for super cheap. The first thing is a pair of cycling shorts or biker shorts or biking shorts, whatever you want to call them, spandex shorts, from the brand Paco Rabanne. I got this in an extra small. I really like this. I really, really like this because I like the branding on the buttocks. It's across the back. It's like it's a strap that's, you know, it's not like sewn down or anything like that, but I like this. We'll have to see how this actually fits when I put it around my bum. I hope it doesn't dig into my bum, but yeah, this is super cute. I love that it has like a rubberized waist here, so it means it's not going to slide down. I absolutely love that. No pockets, but that's okay. That's totally fine, but I like this. I think it's really cute. Adds a little oomph, a little pizzazz to something that would ordinarily be boring. And if you're wondering, on all of these garments, you'll see all these weird, huge tags with plastic on them and wiring and all kinds of stuff hooked on. You'll see on something else I show you here, there's actually like wires. The reason why it's like that is because Luisaviaroma, this is their way, their safety check to make sure that you don't wear it out. And try to return it. So if I would have to be pretty bold, I have to be really savage to wear these and keep this tag on, as if no one will know that there's a tag on here. So they make it really obscene, so that if you don't like it, if you're not going to wear it, you're going to return it without like wearing it first and then bringing it back. So they ask that these tags be attached and intact when you return something. The next couple of items are a matching set. I got this bra top, or this, you know, sports bra, whatever it is from the brand Rotate. And I thought this was super cute because I do always go to the gym for Zumba on Sundays. And I thought this would be a cute set because it says Rotate Sunday on here. I think this is super cute. It seems like this is a collaboration with somebody named Berger Christensen. I have no idea who these people are, but I thought this was cute. I love that it has this like dusky pink / lilac-y color. I have sneakers that are this color. Match perfectly. Again, all the tags on here. I cannot wear this and bring it back. I got it with, I got these leggings / workout pants, whatever you want to call them. It's, you know, the only thing I don't like about it, I didn't realize it's full length. I usually like mine to be 7/8 or 3/4. But I can always, I actually do cuff. I cuff my workout pants. And it has the Rotate Sunday here along the tramp stamp area of the pants. I love the matching set. I don't have very many intentional matching sets, but I do like this one. And that's typically because I buy my things as I find them on sale. I don't really like say, oh, it has to be matching. I have to have the top and the bottom in order to purchase these things. I make things work. Happened so that both of these were available and a good price, and that's why I purchased the matching set. But I'm typically not a matching set type of person, but this is so cute. So that brings us to the end. That's the full Luisaviaroma haul, and again, it'd probably be another year before I go there again because I don't shop there very often. But there is a rewards program there. Like the more you shop, the more points you get. You get, you know, money off of your order, etc., or free shipping. It's all kinds of things that you might get. I don't shop there enough to take full advantage. I have the points, but then they'll expire on me, so I got to do better. I got to do better to take advantage of those points. But that's today's haul. Let me know what your favorite pieces are, and let me know if you have any questions in the description box below. I'll be sure to answer. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Bye.